Navigating through the world of contract for difference, which is CFDs, is not just about your strategy. Your success hinges on one critical point, which is the broker you choose to partner with. Now, in a market that is flooded with different options, how do you find a broker that is not just powerful and efficient, but is rigorously compliant to regulatory standards? Now, that's what this video is made for. By the end of this video, you'll be able to know the 5 best CFD brokers in the UK and which one is the best fit for you. Before we get into our topics, let's establish some foundational understanding of what we are dealing with. A contract for difference, or you can call it CFD, is a financial derivative that allows you to speculate on price movement of an underlying asset without actually owning any of the assets. This is not like buying physical shares where you own part of the company. Instead, you are simply entering a bilateral agreement with your broker. No physical asset changes hands. It is purely a financial agreement. Think of it as a contract between you and your broker where you make profit or you lose based on the difference between the opening and the closing price of an asset. The broker will simply calculate the difference between the opening and the closing price, and if this difference favors you, money is credited to your account. But if the difference does not favor you, money is debited to your account. No physical delivery of assets is involved. For example, if you open a CFD position on 100 Apple shares at, let's say, £500, you actually own no part of Apple, but you will actually make or lose money based on Apple's price movement, either upwards or downwards. This is why CFDs are called derivatives. Their value are based on the price of the underlying asset, but you never get to own the underlying assets. An important thing to note is that CFD trading involves significant risk of losing money, and it may not be suitable for all traders. You should consider whether you understand how CFDs work and whether you can afford the high risk of losing money. Always conduct your own personal research and consider seeking financial advice before taking any financial decision. A primary concern for all UK traders is the regulatory standing of a broker. If you have seen our video on the best Forex brokers in the UK, you already understand the benefits of trading with a broker that is regulated in the UK by the Financial Conduct Authority, the FCA. But if you're yet to see that video, then check out the link in the description. And if you do not know how to verify if a broker is regulated by the FCA, then we've dropped a link in the description to the video that will help you verify these brokers yourself. Apart from the benefits you get to enjoy from the FCA-regulated brokers that we'll be reviewing, these brokers also offer a plethora of educational resources and FAQs that are good for your learning, and then risk management tools like stop-loss orders and take-profit orders with demo account that you can use to test your trades, and their maximum leverage is 1:30. Let's break down the best CFD brokers available in the UK. And to start up is eToro. eToro is one of the brokers that offer a plethora of CFD instruments in the UK, and they have been in operation since 2007. As you can see, they are regulated by the FCA. You can also clearly see that they have over 7,000 instruments that include CFDs as stocks, currencies, indices, and commodities. And they can all be traded on their standard accounts if you are a retail trader. And if you trade CFDs, you will be charged spreads from 1 pips on major currency pairs and swap or overnight fees for overnight open positions. But if you do not log into your account for 12 months, you will be charged $10 monthly inactivity fee. And when you open your account with your base currency as pounds, then you will not be charged currency conversion fee for deposits and withdrawals in pounds. Payment methods are wide enough to cover different traders' preferences, from bank transfer to e-wallets, cards, the eToro money, and others. And the minimum deposit with which you can start trading is $10. But if you use bank transfer, it is $500. With eToro, you cannot trade with platforms like MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and other third-party platforms. You can only trade with their proprietary web platform and mobile app. So if your trading style does not align with their proprietary platform offerings, then you may want to check out the next broker on this list. But if you get stuck trading with your account or you want to make inquiries, you can have a live chat with them or open a ticket with them if you're yet to open an account with them. Now let's have a quick rundown on eToro's offerings. eToro offers over 7,000 tradable instruments, including CFDs, and their spreads are quite high, with Forex from 1 pips, and zero commission charges for CFDs, especially stocks and ETFs, but no transaction and currency conversion fee. They only offer a single account type for retail traders, and only their proprietary platforms are available, with no advanced platform, which may be limiting, especially for professional traders, as traders who prefer multiple account offerings and platforms would rather go for alternative brokers. But you can engage in social and copy trading on eToro, which is what they pride themselves in. And then their payment methods are versatile, and the minimum deposit is $10. So we can say that eToro is best suitable for beginners and social traders. Let's talk about Plus 500, which is a company that is publicly listed on the London Stock Exchange, providing a wide variety of purely CFD instruments to its clients. It was established in 2008 and it operates under the FCA regulation. If you choose to trade with Plus 500, then you'll be trading with over 2,800 CFD instruments covering a variety of indices, Forex, commodities, shares, options and futures, and ETF. Plus 500 only offers a single CFD account for retail traders, just like eToro. How about their fees? They operate on a spread-only revenue model with no commission charges, as spreads for major currency pairs like the Euro-USD pair can go as low as 0.1p. Other charges are overnight or swap fees for overnight open positions except for future contracts, currency conversion fee for all trades denominated in a currency different from your base currency, a monthly $10 inactivity fee if you do not log into your account in 3 months, and then a guaranteed stop loss order fee when your stop loss is triggered, which guarantees that your trades are stopped at your exact set stop loss points. Plus, they do not charge you for your transactions. And just like eToro, their payment methods ranges from card payments to e-wallets and others, with their minimum deposits ranging from £50 to £500 and minimum withdrawal from £50 to £80, depending on the payment method. And just like eToro, trades can be carried out on their proprietary trading platform that is available on web and mobile devices. And as for their customer support, live chat, email, WhatsApp are all available to reach them, and their response rate is with little or no waiting time. In summary, Plus 500 offers over 2,800 instruments which can be traded via their proprietary trading platforms, beside which there are no other third-party platforms. And trades can be made only on one account for retailers. Their spreads can go as low as 0.1 pips with no commission, then the minimum deposit is £50, plus their stop loss order is guaranteed. So we can say that Plus 500 is best suitable for beginners and intermediate traders, and not for traders who seek to trade high volume with advanced trading platforms. Up next is Pepperstone, which happens to be one of the most competitive CFD brokers that is available to UK traders. It has been in place since 2010, and the combination of FCA regulation, competitive pricing, and comprehensive platform offerings positions Pepperstone as a broker that is good enough for UK traders. Pepperstone has over 1,400 CFD instruments that includes Forex, indices, commodities, shares, ETFs, and forward. And yes, they do not just have their proprietary trading platform, they have advanced platforms like MetaTrader 5, MetaTrader 4, TradingView, and CTrader, which give traders the flexibility to trade with advanced tools. As for CFDs, you can either trade with the standard account as a beginner or the Razor account as a high-volume trader. The standard account cannot be traded via TradingView, but the Razor accounts can be traded on all platforms. Then the minimum deposit on all accounts is as low as £10. On the standard account, the average spread for major Forex pairs is 1.1 pips, with commission only on UK shares CFD from 0.02% ramped on, while on the Razor account, the average spread for major Forex pairs is 0.1 pips and commission from £4.5 ramped on per standard lot, while other markets are charged the same way as the standard account. Note that commissions are charged depending on the trading platform and the lot size. Swap rates are charged on your trades, but no inactivity fee. And then their payment methods include card payments, bank transfers, Google and Apple Pay. Then, just like other brokers, if you have any problem whatsoever trading with Pepperstone, there are a number of mediums through which you can reach out to them to get prompt response. In summary, Pepperstone has over 1,400 CFDs, which is less when compared to the first two brokers we have reviewed. They offer tight spreads on average of 0.1 pips on the Razor account, with commission from £4.5 on the Razor account. And then they have multiple professional trading platforms to suit different trading styles. They also have transparent pricing with no inactivity fee, and their minimum deposit is as low as £10. So we can say that Pepperstone is best suitable for active and large volume traders, algorithmic traders, and scalpers. The next broker is XTB, which operates in the UK as a fully regulated FCA broker. It has over 2,500 CFD instruments including Forex, indices, and commodities. Just like Plus 500 and eToro, XTB offers only their proprietary X-Station platform without any third-party platform, and only the standard account with spreads as low as 0.3 pips on major currency pairs and zero commissions on CFD trades with zero deposits and withdrawal fee, but you'll be charged if your withdrawal is below £50. And then they also have zero minimum deposit requirements except for payment methods minimum deposits. As for inactivity fees, if you do not trade within 12 months or if your account is without any cash deposit in 90 days, then you will be charged a monthly dormancy or inactivity fee of the equivalent of €10. And then you will be charged swap fees but no currency conversion fee if you deposit in your account-based currency, which in this case is pounds. You can make payments via credit and debit cards and bank transfer. Also, reaching XTB through their customer support is available to everyone. To summarize this, on XTB, you can trade over 2,500 CFD assets only through their X-Station platform and only with the standard accounts that offer spread from 0.3 pips and zero commission, plus no minimum deposit requirement and no currency conversion fee. We can then say that XTB is best suitable for beginners and intermediate traders. Let's talk about City Index, which is a part of the Nasdaq-listed StoneX Group. City Index has been in operation for over 40 years and it is regulated by the FCA, having over 1,000 CFD instruments available for all their clients, and these instruments include indices, Forex, commodities, shares, bonds, interest rates, and options. Trading can be done through platforms like their flagship mobile app, WebTrader, TradingView, and MetaTrader 4. But then, advanced platforms like MetaTrader 5 are not available here. Unlike eToro, Plus 500, and XTB, their account types are the standard account and the MetaTrader 4 account. You can only trade with the standard account on their proprietary platforms and TradingView, but the MetaTrader 4 account is only meant for the MetaTrader 4 platform. No commission charges on both accounts except for shares on the MetaTrader 4 account, but spreads on the standard account is from 0.8 pips and 0.5 pips on the MetaTrader 4 account on major Forex pairs. While you will not incur any charges when you make deposit via card payments and transfer, withdrawals are free, but currency conversion fees for converting profits and losses to your base currency applies. And if you make no form of trading activity on your account in 12 months, a £12 monthly inactivity fee will be charged. And whenever you leave an open position past the market's closing time, financing fee is charged. Just like Plus 500, City Index has provided the guaranteed stop-loss order, which incurs a charge when it is triggered. No charge will be incurred for making deposits and withdrawals. Also, no minimum deposit is required, but with card deposit, the minimum is £100. You can fund your account via credit and debit cards and bank transfer with a maximum withdrawal of £20,000. Then, if you have any issues with your account, you can contact them through various mediums. They are very responsive and fast. Let's do a quick rundown. You can trade over 1,000 CFD instruments on City Index with 4 trading platforms excluding MetaTrader 5 and through 2 account types. You will incur spreads from 0.8 pips on major currency pairs with zero commission except on shares trades, and the minimum deposit is £100 with card payment, then their stop loss order is also guaranteed. We have covered a number of important factors concerning each broker, from spreads to fees to platforms, payment methods, customer support, and the rest. But whichever broker you choose to trade with, whether eToro, Plus 500, Pepperstone, XTB, or City Index, all these brokers are beginner friendly. This video may not have been so intense, so you may need to check out our comprehensive review of each broker on our channel, or you can check out the description for their links. And if you want to know the best Forex broker in the UK and how to verify an FCA-regulated broker, then check out the description also. You can also check out our website at safeforexbrokers.com for more resources that are tailored to UK traders. But before you do that, make sure you subscribe to this channel and like this video. Note that this video should serve as a guide and should not be considered financial advice. And that's why you need to do your own due diligence before making any decision as to the best CFD brokers to trade with. Test each broker's demo account to know if their trading condition aligns with your trading style. I'm sure you will find a broker on this list that is good enough for you. Until I come your way again, happy trading.